Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to see some Ipsy Glam Bag Plus spoilers and add-ons for October 2020. I don't know about you guys, but I'm really excited about the choice date, October 2nd and 3rd, so we can choose some products for our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So far, so good with the Plus. The first month was phenomenal. The second month, not so much. There wasn't as good of choice categories in my opinion, and as well as your opinions as well. I just said that twice and that sounded weird. Anyways, so hopefully the third month they kind of heard our complaints and we will see better choice categories, and I can't wait to give you some spoilers for some choice items, and the add-ons are pretty good and I'm excited. So if you guys are enjoying these types of videos from me, since I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already a viewer, if you would, do me the honor and hit the subscribe button. It'll literally melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Real quick, I want to say at the beginning, if you haven't seen my NYX Advent Calendar video, I will have it linked below in a holiday playlist. I'm also doing a really big giveaway over there, so definitely go check it out. And I just posted a video unboxing a mystery box from Dominic DeAngelis, you know, the YouTuber who's very hot and Italian. So if you guys want to see what I got sent to me from him, then go check that video out. I'll have it linked below. I'm a little creepy. It's only like a 5-minute long video, but like, I'm just in love with him, okay? Go see what I got. Anyways, let's get on with the spoilers. So we've already seen this before, but this is a choice item. This is the Thrive Cosmetics Brilliant Eye Brightener in Aurora. I'm actually really excited. I'm going to pick this unless there's something else that I just want even more out of that category, but this is going to be a choice item. I'm very excited. It says it's powered by ring light technology to diffuse light and define features. Brilliant Eye Brightener highlights, brightens, and opens your eyes, providing an instant eye lift. It's infused with macadamia and meadow foam oil to hydrate and help reduce the appearance of fine lines. The long-lasting waterproof formula complements every skin tone and highlights all of your best features. So that's exciting. Next Glam Bag Plus choice item spoiler is the House Laboratories Riot Lip Gloss in Chaser. This extreme high shine gel gloss is all treats, no tricks. It's comfortable enough not to weigh you down and reflective enough to show your true colors with a shimmer, sparkle, or true shine finish. Chaser is a sheer mahogany brown with golden highlights, which sounds beautiful. Brown shades are everything during the fall, so that's really great that that's a choice item. I do have a gloss here from House Laboratories. This one is in Corset and it's really beautiful. It's a pretty peach color, and I do have to say that I do enjoy the glosses. They don't really have a scent, so if you're not into scents, then you will like this. Well, not this because this one's mine, but the spoiler. Next up, another Glam Bag Plus choice spoiler, Tristique Brow Pencil in Espresso. If you've been waiting to try a fuller brow look, now's as good a time as any. This brow pencil features a triangular tip that makes it easy to accent and define your brows, so you only need one product to achieve the look you want. Espresso is a deep brown shade that's perfect for you dark-haired beauties. Now, this is where I want like to know what you guys got for your choice items, which we'll talk about that on choice day, but hopefully the profile is met and people who don't have dark brown eyebrows or even darker don't get this as a choice. Like if I see this as one of my choice items, I'm gonna question Ipsy because they could have like replaced that with a different item for choice, because obviously we don't have dark brown eyes. Like I use the shade blonde, so this is something that I'm like curious to see who's gonna have this as a choice item if they don't have dark brows, if it's in their profile that they have light brows and all of that. So I'm curious to see, but it is a cool little duo, the gel and the pencil. That's cool to see. I like that. Next Glam Bag Plus choice spoiler, Laboratories Florga Oxygen Glow Eyes, which we saw already in a past spoiler video, but this is a choice item. And since these are going to be choice items, I'm wondering if these are also going to be like choices for everyone, or just like confirmed these are going to be choice items. You know what I mean? Anyways, think of this as like a magic wand for your eyes. It's made of super skin boosting factors complex which combines an oxygen releaser, hyaluronic acid, and clarifying L enzyme to leave your eye contour flawless day after day. Photo Perfector high-def technology gives you instantly visibly enhanced eyes. Cool, cool. I'm not into it, but cool. So now we have some add-on spoilers. So the first one is the Purely's Matcha Green Tea plus Lemon Detoxifying Charcoal Mask. All you need is 15 minutes to reset your skin with this purifying charcoal mask. Seriously. It zaps dirt and excess oil to give you clearer looking skin and refine those pores, while it also nourishes, detoxifies, and brightens your complexion with green tea, ginger, and lemon. So if you're into that, it's an add-on. Another add-on, which I think is like a really good add-on, is the Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Storm palette. So it's like the Celestial Thunder palette that we got in BOXYCHARM about this time last year, but it had like, I think 4 shades less, but I can't remember. This is the full palette and it's going to be an add-on. So I'm wondering how much they're going to want for this, honestly. It's a beautiful palette. I wound up selling my small one because I just wasn't into the darker shades, so this isn't something I'm personally interested in. But if you were interested in getting the Celestial Thunder palette, which is the smaller version of this, now's your chance. I just hope it's not like too pricey, you know? Next up for a glam bag add-on is the Kung Fu Apothecary Black Obsidian Goo Sha. I don't know if that's how you say that. It says new to Goo Shy. I still don't know if I'm saying that correctly. You're in for a treat. Use this tool daily to massage your face and visibly lift, tone, and plump your skin while you reap relaxing benefits like reduced stress and better sleep. This Goo Shy is made with obsidian, a stone known for its stabilizing and grounding effects to help you restore harmony when you feel spread too thin. Sign us up. Okay, next up for a glam bag add-on, which again, I wonder how much they're going to charge for this. I have one and I love it, and I keep it in my shower for cleaning my face purposes, thank you, and I love it. It's the PMD Beauty Clean Smart Facial Cleansing Device in Blush. So it vibrates and you clean your face. So that's pretty much what it is. It emits over 7,000 vibrations per minute to deeply cleanse, lift, firm, and tone problem areas for a more youthful appearance. So I use mine all the time. I have it in like a navy blue, but the batteries are going low and I don't really like it, but on the low vibrate because it makes me dizzy. I get dizzy like really easily over everything. So I like to really just use it to scrub into my skin. Absolutely love it. Hopefully it's not too expensive. I might even add this on just because I would love another one. And then of course we have some more spoilers that may not be available in the choice, but this is products that they could pick for you. But again, we really don't know how the process goes. We're still learning, and I'm sure they're still learning. So of course we have the Tarte Shape Tape Setting Powder in Translucent. Then we have the Dr. Lip Lip Tint 3-pack, Misho Beauty Nail Lacquer Set in Top Coat and Unbothered, and then a Violet Voss Lip Gloss in Romantical. So that is all of the choice and add-ons and extra spoilers for the plus that we know of. We're not going to know anything else, I'm sure, until Choice Day, which you guys already know. I'm going to be up. I'm going to be filming. We're going to be seeing what our choices are. We're going to be comparing and seeing if we're angry or if we're happy, as well as my purchased and PR box unboxing, which is insane for me to say. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. As always, are you planning on getting any of those add-ons? Are you liking any of the choice items? Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. You know I love to hear them. And yeah, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to check out my giveaway, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!